How to add Stripe to your Shopify store. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you that how you can add Stripe to your Shopify store. So first you have to do is go to this settings option, and once you click this settings option, just go to payments. Now Stripe is a payment provider, so you have to choose a provider over here, and once you click this, just go to the search bar over here and write Stripe and press enter. And here you can see that here's the Stripe option. I'm going to click this option, and once you click this option, it's going to load the interface for you, and once it's loaded, I'm going to tell you what you have to do next. So here you can see that to get started with Stripe, I have to put an email over here and click continue. I'm going to paste my email over here and come back. So after you paste your email over here, click continue, and once you click continue, it's going to bring you over here to create a password for yourself. I'm going to choose a password and then just click continue again. So you have to enter a strong password over here and click continue. And once you click continue, you're going to create your free Stripe account. And once your account is ready over here, I'm going to tell you what you have to do next. So you have to secure your account by providing your phone number over here and click send text. And I'm going to just click return to Shopify right now because this is a demo, and if you want to, you can always add your phone number or your mobile number over here. And what you have to do is wait for it to load, and once it's loaded, I'm going to show you what you have to do. So now here you just have to see that your payment provider should be available over here when you click choose a provider, and if it's still not available, it's just because of your country or your region. It's not available because of your country if it's not, so that's the reason. So I hope you liked the process and found it easy, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.